Hi, this is Jay. Welcome to the 5th video. Finally, we arrive at the last number in our equation, FastPath's profit. Now we are a business and we buy houses like yours, restore them to their original charm, and sell them to others. We need to make a profit so we can continue buying houses from sellers looking to move and then provide these updated gems to future homeowners. We always try to keep our profits to an absolute minimum. In this example, our minimum profit is $41,250. This covers expenses like our general contractor that manages each project, other employees of FastPath, compensation, credit costs, marketing equipment, and investor returns. Those are only a few of the many expenses that go into running a business. All those come out of the profit. Like I said earlier, we try to keep these to a minimum so we can give you the highest offer possible. We stay in business by getting offers accepted, so you can be sure we do our best to make your offer as high as possible. So there we have it, the final number in our equation. We are ready to prepare your offer.